I want to thank the chairman who done it fit to be here this morning. I want to recognize you specially. I want to tell you, the Egyptian you see yesterday, you will see them no more. You see, I want to tell you a little story. When we came into the office, I had a meeting with the Accountant General. He said this payment is going to, there was no explanation to it. Then why did I take interest? I saw environmental security funding. I've never heard that before. And the amount involved is huge, 800 million. Every month, this chairman contributes this money to give a leader of one particular party. And in our schools, we don't have teachers. When you get to primary school, you find 2-3 teachers when you are supposed to have about 12 teachers. I don't know how to reconcile such. So I felt I should invite them, and I actually invited them. That day, unfortunately, I didn't have time to meet with them directly, but my deputy did. He asked for a simple thing. Explain this. They could not explain. He said, okay, if you cannot explain, give me your books. Provide me with your books. They said, oh, we'll bring it in 24 hours. The man said, no. We give you 48 hours. Bring these books to us. 24 hours which they choose by themselves, they never did. 48 hours that the deputy gave, they never did. 2 weeks, nothing happened. I felt we have two governors in the state. Local government as governor, then governor as governor. I said, no, this cannot happen. I have to send a letter to EFCC to please look into these people's record. At the same time, as a parliamentarian, I know there are people that have oversight function rights over them, which is the State Assembly. I also sent a letter to the State Assembly. Invited them, they refused to come, and State Assembly decided to say, okay, we suspend you for two months so that we can look into your record. That is it. They started moving from pillar to pole. I felt it is wrong, but I want to thank you because you have changed the narrative. What you have done is not out of contest. It's not out of the law. It teaches somebody who is corrupt, who has used the local funds for personal gain. Sending him away is not wrong. I recognize you as my chairman. The only way we can drive the economy to the grassroots, to the commoners, is through you. If you look at Mr. President's speech, he recognized the local government. Even though the local government belongs to the governors, but he also advised the governors, go through the chairman. That is a man of wisdom. So I am ready to work with you people. I am ready to see that you progress and local government progress. It is painful to know that after 2 years in the office or a year plus in the office, that even some of your councillors have not gotten their furniture allowance. Please, I want you to put those things in writing, you will get it. You have full power as local government chairman. So the commission will cooperate with you people to carry out your duty diligently, nobody will touch you because you are under the law. The best way to go is to do the grassroots work. We have to go back now. The money that belongs to the local government does not belong to you personally, it belongs to the